In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix target order review on hold or rejected status. Let's get started. First, if your order is on hold, it's often because there is a problem with your payment method, billing information, or item availability. Make sure your payment method is valid and has enough available funds. Verify that your billing address matches the one on file with your bank or card issuer. If Target asks you to update your payment information, do as soon as possible. If your order is rejected or cancelled, review the cancellation reason in your Target account or confirmation email. Common reasons include payment authorization failure, incorrect billing details, security verification issues, or an item becoming unavailable before the order could be processed. If payment was the issue, update your payment method and place the order again if the item is still available. If the product is out of stock, you may need to wait until it's back in stock or choose an alternative item. If you believe your order was rejected by mistake or you need more information, contact Target customer support with your order number so they can review your order and help resolve the issue. That's how you can easily fix a Target order showing review on hold or rejected status. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.